Hey everyone, what's going on, guys? This is Wolfies Wolfos, and today I am now a baby derpy looking skin. I know. Well, I'm joined here by Galaxy Girl Gamer. Ah, and now this is a game where I like to call Who's Your Daddy. Now, if you don't know what's Who's Your Daddy, then search it. I know, just search it.
Guys. Oh my gosh, or keep on punching me. You look
You
great.
can't.
Your skin.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
stop now.
okay, let's start by opening this.
You're gonna open that.
Bam. And by the way, guys, I made this map by my own.
Okay, am I the dad or the babies?
Now I will be the dad. I
No.
like to be.
I'm the mice.
Okay, fine. Okay, here.
I think I'm the dad.
Okay, I am the
Oh, I hate
baby. Now, let's do this. Okay, I have a speed pill ready, guys, and then let's do this. Okay, the main mission here is to kill myself.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, I can open
Look at that.
door.
It's to kill myself. I don't believe it. And I'm sorry guys for the noises back in the background, guys, because no one really wants to listen. Yeah. And then let's start. I will be the baby.
Can I go here?
No, you should need to be in the living room. The main mission is
Where?
if you're a baby. Here, this is the
So,
living room.
I should go here?
Yes, no, I'm the baby. Okay, so the main mission is if you're a baby, you should need to kill yourself before 5 minutes. Okay, and then if you're the dad, you need to protect your baby from anything. Okay, 5 minutes starts now. I mean, now. So noob. Okay,
You're rude.
I'm now out.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get the pacifier.
Oh no.
Then, now you cannot trade with me again. Look what I've got, noob. Look at what I've got.
I don't care what you're saying.
Look what you got. Look at what I've got. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
I don't care.
Oh yeah, I forgot all the difficulty. I've got the pacifier.
Okay.
So it means you cannot trade me with this stuff. Rat killer. Only have 4 health. 4 hearts left. 4 hearts left. No.
Baby. Baby. Oh my gosh.
Ayaw din, walk na daw ko, no? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna walk. Sorry about that. I'm a Filipino. Okay? Sorry.
Baby.
No. Stinky diaper.
Oh
Sick.
gosh.
Protect me, stinky diaper. This is called diaper.
I said follow me.
You have a iron sword. You can see it. OMG.
OMG, you should follow me. I got this.
Okay. I need to.
Just follow me. Don't do anything.
Okay, no. Gonna eat my pacifier. Don't care about that. I need the speed pill, guys, because
oh my gosh.
I need to get the car keys.
Oh no, oh my god.
The car keys are here, right? I didn't know. Huh?
Well, you don't
Hey, look at me. Look at me.
No,
Baby! Oh!
No, baby.
No, give me the car keys. No.
Follow me, baby.
No. You forgot to do this. You don't have any choice, so I won't follow you forever.
Wala, sabi niya, pag-i-hold ka na.
Sorry about that. We're Filipino, so that's why. Okay? Don't worry about it. Just listen to me. I've got a bouncy ball. Noob. Hey, that's my bleach.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, thank you for punching me though.
Oh my gosh.
Just
Oh
punch
no.
me. Just punch
Never
me.
mind. I just. Did you do that? Get away. For my baby. Don't run, okay? You cannot run. Only me can run.
Okay, then. No, you got the ghost?
No.
You got the ghost?
No. I don't have.
You got the ghost?
I said no. No.
Come on. I need to find something more to... Oh, you just got the hammer.
Where?
I know. Oh, and you just set up all the traps. Yes. Bam.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh no, I forgot the roof. Skip that first.
I'm so happy we're playing this one.
Okay,
I got
remember
the-
guys, I made this map by my own. So that's why. Bam, 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 bam.
Ow.
Can't do this. Oh no, that's the hammer.
Yeah.
Can you give me the hammer?
No way.
I can trade you with this baby's ball.
No way.
Okay,
I
fine.
won't. I got fake bandage. Antidote. Never.
You forgot about that. You forgot.
Oh no.
Can't do this.
Okay, okay. You're no safe, baby.
So yeah, out of order. I need something.
Baby, Irvin's yeah.
Baby.
I need to eat.
Baby.
I cannot do this right now, guys. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no.
Get away from me.
You're bad. You're bad, son. No, no, no.
This is the dad's gun. Can't do
Aw.
this.
You're so mean.
Bam.
Ouch. No, no, no.
Oh yeah.
If I kill, oh,
I'm gonna kill myself right now. Oh no, my stinky diaper got me.
oh my gosh.
Oh no,
guys.
stinky diapers.
Ooh, there's some milk.
Kill yourself.
Well, guys, you
I'm
should
gonna
help-
kill myself already.
Well, I'm hungry, guys. You should help me. Here.
Oh, yes, yes.
No, don't kill it, spider.
Kill me.
Spider.
I need to get the ghost.
Where should be the ghost?
Bam. See, I'm almost dead. Bang. Oh.
Nothing here. Hey, stop it.
I'm gonna die from this dad's gun. Whee!
No, oh my god.
I'm the most OP baby.
Ouch. I'm
OP
gonna
baby. Ah. OP baby.
now doing that.
OP baby. I'm gonna teleport. OP baby.
There.
OP baby. OP baby. Well, I can die. Here, you can have the gun. I don't care.
Okay.
If you trade me,
What should I
trade me
trade?
anything that is baby stuff. OP
Oh,
baby.
I failed, guys.
Okay,
Oh my god.
okay. Now, guys, I have some questions for you.
Oh my god.
If you, alright then, guys.
You're
This is
so bad,
such.
guys.
This is a
so
short
bad.
video because
I'm gonna
you
kill
know you're the baddest father ever. I'll
Well,
never
you
talk
just
to you.
killed yourself.
I'll never talk to you
Shut
anymore.
up.
I'm gonna go to an air vent. I hate you. Ugh. OP baby. I'm gonna kill myself with anvil. Oh!
No, no. I'm hungry. Oh, I should heal myself.
I'm an OP baby. Now if you do like this and I forgot
Oh,
that I made
no.
this own map by myself, guys. So I'm sorry if this is too short because I cannot download this again, guys. So now if you do like this video, if we can get 3 subs, that will be fun. And
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill this. Gonna get sword. I'm an OP
Really
baby.
bad.
Drink this. Oh,
I'm
drink
already-
this. Come Come on, drink this. Now, I'm sorry guys if this is a short video for you because I made this map by myself, so sorry if this is short. Now, return back to my channel and like. If I can get 3 likes, then we'll be pranking part 3. Or maybe that if I can get 10 likes for this vid. Now, sorry guys if I talk Tagalog. I don't know if you know that because I'm a Filipino. I don't know anything. Okay guys, if I can get 3 video, I'll make this again. So, let's go. Let's do another thing. Okay.
Oh my god.
Let's do another thing. Only for once.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the air vent.
Well, good luck your way to the air vent.
Oh yes. This can
Oh my
the
god.
car keys. Yay. This is the last magic
Wait
trick.
for me.
Let's go to the car.
Wait
Let's
for
go
me,
to the
guys.
car. Let's go to the car.
Where are you?
Here. It's only here. Let's go to the car.
Yeah, I know, right?
So, let's do this. So, yes. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.
Goodbye, guys.